In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you create or share PDFs, making them accessible ensures that people using assistive technologies can read and navigate your content. Acrobat Pro DC includes a built-in accessibility checker that quickly evaluates your file against a broad set of criteria so you can understand what's working and what may need attention. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you are in the Pro DC version rather than the Reader, since the full accessibility tools live here. Once your document is open, head to the top left corner and select All Tools. This brings you to a central hub where Acrobat groups features by task, making it easy to find what you need. From this list, choose Accessibility. This section is designed specifically to analyze and support accessible document structure, so it's the right place to start when you want a comprehensive assessment. Now look to the right-hand pane and click Accessibility Check. This launches the checker and prepares a scan of your document. You'll immediately see a dialog box with options that control what the checker reviews. For the most complete picture, select all the options and make sure all 32 categories are checked. That way, the scan will cover core elements such as document properties, tagging, headings, lists, tables, form fields, and more. A full selection helps you avoid missing issues that could affect readers who rely on screen readers or keyboard navigation. When you are satisfied with the selections, click Start Checking. Acrobat will quickly analyze the file and open the Accessibility Checker panel on the left side of your screen. This panel displays your results in a clear, organized list, helping you see at a glance where your document passes and where it may need a closer look. You'll notice groupings for different aspects of accessibility, each showing whether it passed automatically or requires manual verification. Items that need manual verification aren't necessarily problems. They simply need human judgment to confirm that the content makes sense in context. Use this results list as your roadmap. It gives you a high-level understanding of your document's accessibility health and points you toward areas that deserve attention. Running this check is an excellent step in building habits that support inclusive documents. And reviewing the findings will help you create PDFs that are easier for everyone to use. That's it. Thanks for watching.